All right, thanks for watching the video, and here is Tech. So I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but we are in Ghana, so the ECG is doing their thing, and because of that I was unable to record the video yesterday. But bro, we are here today, so let me show you how you can just do it. But if you're new, make sure you subscribe, because more videos will be coming here on this channel. And with this platform, or with the NAGRAT Bundle or the NAT Bundle, okay, with the portal, they open for some time and then closes, okay. So as I always give you update, last year I was giving you updates with the portal being opening and closed, and now it is opening. Now let me show you how you can just also enter and then also register your number for the NAGRAT Bundle or the NAT Bundle, okay. So please, let me say this as well. If you want to help us so that we can just get a light with battery, okay, the one that I have, they don't last for like 10-20 minutes and then it goes off. And with our work, you have to be doing it once again, try and error, okay, before sometimes you get one correct video, okay. And you can't just use 10 minutes to just do that. So if you can help, please check in the comment section, and then you can just contact me and then you can just help us, okay. At least a battery that can last for like 1 hour or 2 hours. Yes, that's the type of light that we need right now, so that we can just shoot videos even if there is light out, okay. So please help me out, and I would like to say a big thanks to Tech for helping us to get this chair, okay. So you can see we have a new chair right now. It's because of someone's help. Tech on YouTube right here. I really appreciate you, bro. Thanks so much. So let's go through, and please help me with a like or subscribe for more updates as well. Check in the comment section or the description for my Telegram page, so that you can just join and get updates as well. Stay alive. Let's start it. So just check in the comment section or the description of this video and then register your account, okay. And as I said, please make sure to subscribe, okay, because you see this is February 2024 staff bundle registration, okay. So when the portal gets closed, okay, they will open another time. So as you subscribe, you'll be getting more updates right here to know when it is open. If in case you try this one, it doesn't work, you can just try another time when it is open, okay. And if you have any problem with your NAT bundle or your NAT ID, okay, you can just contact me with the same contact in the comment section or the description, okay. So here you have your email right here, so you can see my email is right here, okay. So you can just tap on the switch account to just change it, okay, or you can just leave it that way and then you will continue to scroll, okay. So when you come to this side, you can see email is here, record the same email as the email to be included with my response, okay. So you will just turn it on right here, okay, and then you will scroll down, and then go down. You come to affirmation of commitment, okay. You can see I have read and noted all the terms of the offer outline and I'm ready to be part of it. Then you will select yes. So you select yes right here. You scroll down, you enter your first name right here, you enter your last name, and you enter your staff ID right here. And as I was saying, if you have any issue, check in the comment section, contact me, I will help you out. And then you enter the name of your school, okay, and also the district and your region as well. Scroll down again, and then you enter the phone number that you want to use to register or to get access to the NAT bundle or the NAGRAT bundle, okay. So you enter the phone number right here. After that, you just tap on submit, and then you wait for some time. They will give you updates, or after, let's say, a week, okay. Let's say wait up to a week, okay, and then keep trying. Within that week, keep trying to see whether you have been registered or not. If still you don't get registered, wait for another time. As I said, just subscribe and like the video. I'll bring more updates about this, okay. So that's it.